Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. If you enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe and comment. So guys, today I am going to explain global English, international English. So guys, let's get start. English language is one of most important language of the modern world. Someone said that English language we surrounded us like sea. There is no sector English language is not spoken. It is like depth of the water. It is full of the mystery. When the Julius Caesar came to Britain 2000 years ago, then there was no English language, but passage with the time, English language gathered in the whole world. Gathered in the whole world. It is spoken many countries. It is spoken many countries by a crore peoples. It is a global language. It is a global language. It is a language of science, business, diplomacy, literacy, etc. English language is spoken by many people in our country. UK English language is spoken by crore people in UK and USA. English language is official language of United Nation. It is language of science. It is language of scientist and literacy. It is language of science and literacy. TV, internet, technology, information have made globally its English language have brought very close peoples of the world. It is a linking language. It is language of higher education and higher technology. It is used in higher education and higher technology. English language is spoken our country by many people. English language is taught as a second language in our country. Due to British rule, English language was its place in our country. Due to that, English language in trending. British rule spread English language many countries. That time English language is spoken by well-educated person, but now English language is spoken by crore people. English language is official language of European. It is language of computer. It is language of grammar and play. This language is prosperous language. This is a language of prosperous language. More than 13 lakh word in this. It is borrowed many words from other languages. Now seems that without English language, the development of well can stop. English speaker person is very demand in our country. It is called such English speaker person got a job very easily. Without English language, we cannot progress and development in our future. English language is need to our future and development. English speaker person have given respected to our society. English speaker person have given to importance and very respect. Such said that without English language we cannot progress in our life and our future. That's all for today. If you enjoy this video, do like, subscribe and comment.